Zoo World.
What?
Zoo World.
Okay. What's on your hat? Alligator?
Flowers and grass.
I'm a flower.
They live in the background.
I'm a bee.
What do you think you're doing? Did they get you?
Fighting.
Ollie, you do it.
They're fighting for us.
Do it. Alright, let Ollie do it. Here, give it to this guy. Yeah, here you go. Yeah. What's that thing? That's a big guy. Ah, I'm trying not to. Is there poop on me now? You got bird?
I got it.
The Ollie,
He
no.
wants to grab it.
Bye bye, bird.
You guys ready for this?
Mmm. What are these wild guys doing over here? Looks like a nine-tails.
Why is it over here?
Think I can fit?
It's looking angry at you.
At me? What about you?
Bro, I don't want to fight.
Hey, got you.
Is it eating you?
Oh.
I mean, I want
Pumpkin.
It's like a dog that's scared.
He's so cute when he's Up he goes.
Later, Gator.
Later.
I want to pick it up.
You can hold it and not